How much is Medicare going to pay for a particular product? Hi there. Today I'll walk you through how to use our fee schedule lookup tool and explain some key factors that can impact the price. The fee schedules on the CGS website come from the DMEPOS and parenteral and enteral nutrition (PEN) fee schedule files provided by CMS. Please note, drug fees, pharmacy dispensing fees, and pharmacy supply fees are not included in this tool. Also, keep in mind that not every HCPCS code has a fee schedule. Here's how to find it. Step 1. Go to cgsmedicare.com. Step 2. Choose your contract. For example, select Jurisdiction C. Step 3. On the left-hand menu, scroll down to Tools and Calculators and click it. Step 4. From the list, select DMEPOS Fee Schedules. You'll see 4 different options. Let's walk through each one. Option 1. Search the database. This is the easiest way to look up a specific HCPCS code. Pick the state, select the fee schedule, and type the code you need. For example, choose Tennessee 2026 first quarter and code E0431. Click Submit and your results pop up. Here, the standard fee per rental month is $22.14. The rural fee is $31.64. Notice how the pricing modifiers can also change the price. Option 2. Download a CSV file. Use this if you want to see all the data at once or export it. For example, select 2026 first quarter and download or save the file. You'll see HCPCS codes, Jurisdiction C states, pricing modifiers, and fee schedules. Option 3. Download a PDF file. Same process as the CSV, but in PDF format. This option is great for printing or quick reference. For example, select 2026 first quarter and the PDF opens automatically. Option 4. Validate a rural zip code. This is to check if your beneficiary zip code is rural. For example, type 37016 and click Check Zip Code. The tool shows you this zip code is rural. Next, type 37138. The results show this zip code is not rural. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an update.